Hi everyone, sorry I've been MIA. I filmed last week and I didn't like the video because my dog was barking too much in it. So I didn't really want to post that video, and I don't have the greatest editing skills and I didn't want to do a voiceover, so I just threw the video away basically. But we're gonna try this again. And I still have a broken tripod. I mean, it's working. It's broken. I don't know. But I'm going to be doing a kind of like the Ready With Me. I'm going to be using the Color Festival palette. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing yet. I just know I got to do something kind of quick because I'm running out of time this morning. I've already done like a lot. I've done like laundry and the dishes, so yeah. Well, anyways, I think I'm gonna start with, I guess, do denim. Yeah, and denim is that very dark blue. I guess it's not really dark. Well, we're getting some fallout, great. And I am using a crease brush because I'm gonna put this in my crease. So, yeah. So we're gonna take denim. And I'm only gonna do one eye because I'm gonna do the other eye much faster off camera. I need a makeup wipe. I just smeared blue across my cheek. Oh, that's cold. Burr. Okay. So basically you're taking denim and you're just plopping that into your crease. It's more of like an electric blue. Oh my gosh, now my eye's all red and watery. I must have got some makeup in it already. And it's gonna be a morning, I'm telling you. Okay, so once you get the denim on there, I am gonna take Rage, and I'm gonna be putting Rage just on this outer corner. And you probably should not have dabbed it as much as I did because I got too much product, I think. Never mind, maybe not. We can do this. Then I'll take my blendy brush and I'm just gonna blend those two colors together. It's looking decent. It's not, I don't know, man. I feel like it's not my best, but that's okay. I mean, you can always create something that you don't like. It's all depends on what you like. So once you get Rage in there, so we have Rage, we have denim on my eye. What is going on my lid? Well, I don't know what's going on my lid yet, but that's okay because I know I want to take Disco, and I want to put blend Disco out up here. So I'm gonna get some Disco. And we're just gonna blend it. It looks like a greenish color. So now I'm gonna go in with Haze and also blend Haze up here. Ooh, I like that, you guys. So you have a mixture of like Disco and Haze up here, and then just, I don't know, it just looks good. See already, like right here in my inner corner, it's already like my eyes watering, and so it's pushing my shadow up. And I always have that problem, so like I'll go to take pictures really quick in the day just because I don't want my makeup to just dissolve. Because that's what I feel like is gonna happen. It's just gonna disappear. All right, so we have Disco and Haze up here. We have a Denim and we have Rage in the outer corner. What are we putting on our base, you guys? I don't know. I kept thinking about doing like Pop, but I feel like it's gonna be too much. Ooh, a finger blue now. Let's do this. There's some color. Thought about doing Pop, and I thought about Candy. I'm gonna do Pop. I still think Pop would look super cute. So, Pop it is. Pop I'm gonna take my flat brush with, and I'm just gonna be packing that on my brush, and I'm just gonna take it and dab. I'm gonna start the crease cut that I made with the paint pot. And this one, I'm gonna slowly dab this color on because I really want Pop to pop. You guys, I don't know how I feel about this look. Like, it looks cute, but it also kind of looks really weird and messy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And just kind of blend those two together. Alright, and then I know what I'm going to put in my inner corner. I'm going to be taking Disco to my inner corner. I'm just going to take a little bit more of my paint pot and just really, yeah, put that up in there. Because you want it to stick. One more pop. There we go. So that is our eye look. I will be right back. I'm gonna go do this side and do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look, you guys. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know what was with that weird, I don't know, close up, but this is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed talking with me and getting ready with me. And now I'm definitely running late for work. I haven't even had breakfast yet, and I'm gonna be late. Bye.